Today we are asking the most useless yet most important question in Indian car history. What if the Honda City gets a turbo? Honda City already has a good power. It's like a decent guy at the gym who doesn't show off but can lift weight when needed. But what if we said, let's make that guy chuck protein, pre-workout? Look, the 1.5 VTEC is no joke. Punchy mid-range, smooth throttle. You can overtake without even shifting down if you are gentle. It's a sedan that behaves well until you hit the gas. Then it flirts a little. Now let's slap a turbo. So now your Honda City goes from an civil engineer to an intern at Red Bull. 0 to 100 faster, gear shifts sharper, and sound, oh boy. Mileage with a turbo? Forget your average 9 to 10 kmpl. So you will be spending more at the fuel pump than your girlfriend's birthday. Is the stock city good enough? Yes. But do you need a turbo? Maybe not. But do you want a turbo? Oh, absolutely. Now, here's the plot twist. Honda does actually sell the turbocharged city in other countries like Malaysia, Thailand, and UK. A 1 liter 3-cylinder engine. So, same car, smaller engine, more of a Chupa Rustam type behavior. Subscribe for more ideas that makes perfect sense.